Hi guys, I'm David Emanuel with AKG Christie's International and welcome to 12731 Bloomfield Street, located in Studio City. Let's go inside and take a look. Built in 2020, this home features 5 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, pool house, cabana, swimming pool, and much more. This amazing kitchen includes 2 large kitchen islands, Sub-Zero and Wolf appliances, and this amazing pass-through into the backyard. Upstairs, you'll find the laundry room, 4 bedrooms which are all en suites, and of course, the amazing primary. This primary suite features a massive walk-in closet, amazing bathroom, 2 fireplaces, and a balcony overlooking the yard. Hope you enjoyed this amazing tour of this home. For more information or to schedule an appointment, give me a call, text me, or send me a DM. Looking forward to meeting you.